As you can see, my viewers, this radio, yeah, one of those big radio, yeah, as you can see, I pull it apart, right? Everything is pulled apart because it wasn't playing, right? So I have to pull it apart, yeah, everything pull apart. I'm gonna fit it. I'll find the problem, solve the problem, yeah, have it playing just like how it is now. Yeah, so I'm gonna fit it up back the right and proper way and then play it that you can hear it. Yeah, it's not an easy task to go inside a radio like this, you know what I mean? Yeah, so as you can see, yeah, it was pulled apart from last week, yeah, a couple days now, so it's time for me to put it back together. All right, it's not an easy task. It is a 220. It is one of those English radio. You will see the looks of it when I put it back together. This is the transformer, all right? As you can see, it's a unique 220 volt transformer, 12 volt out, all right? Yeah, as you can see, here's the power supply, yeah. Here is the main output board, yeah, where the output IC is on, 2 IC inside here, all right? This is the preamp board. The preamp board is this, yeah. Here is the CD part. Yeah, it's also have CD, as you can see. Yeah. Here is the brand. Yeah, it's a Jvc. It have 4 speakers. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 2 work at the side here, as you can see. Yeah, the 2 side have speaker like that. The top of it have 2 speakers also. So yes, my viewers, here is the radio part. Everything is built different. Yeah, one of those unique radio. All right, so yes, my viewers, Evah Slick Media, I'm going to put it back together and play it. Let's just see what's going on. All right, so yes, it's not an easy task to pull up a radio like this and put it back together, have it playing. All right, I find a piece of metal after pulling up the radio. I never know where it was, where it come from, but as you can see here, this is a piece of the metal. It go back inside here. Over here don't have any, so this is the side that missing the piece of metal. All right, so I guess I have the piece of metal inside here. Yeah, yes, my viewers, so this piece of metal must go here, right? Yeah, I guess it is the metal that hold the hanger. Yeah, that hold the hanger. As you can see, my viewers, yeah, this is just for repair purpose, you know. So I don't have this plug here, but I have this adapter, so I put it on it to get the current into it. All right, 220 volt. Okay, my viewers, stick around, don't move that dial to see when I put it back together. All right, trust me, my viewers, this one was massive, you know what I mean? It's not an easy task. All right, so yeah, so as you can see, my viewers, I have to set back this part here. I have to screw it back in. Yeah, all right, this part here, it go inside to here when it connect together, but for testing purpose I have to pull it from here. It's screw here, I have to pull it out to plug it in to get sound from the speaker. All right, this is the CD part, and as you can see, it have some clip here. These 2 black clip, it make connection here and here, so you know you have to have that in to test, because this is the dashboard. All right, as you can see, there's 2 band here to go back here. Yeah, there's a lot of work. And as you can see, this, the preamp board, it can easily pull off, right? Just like that. So this have to screw back inside the back of the radio here. So it's a lot of work. Yeah, this is the cassette part. Yeah, we don't use any cassette anymore, but this is the cassette part. I'll also plug and play. Yeah, so as you can see, my viewers. So yeah, it's time to put it back together. All right. So yes, my viewers, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ever Media. And don't forget to check out my new channel. I'm gonna put it on screen right now. I have 2 other channels, alright? I'm gonna put them on screen right now so you can go and check them out. Yeah, Laugh and Relationship TV. That is one. And you have Nature of Life TV. Check it out, my people, trust me. You don't want to miss out on this, alright? Yes, my viewers, this is a technical job, This is a technical job because you see when you pull it apart, you have to know where to put back all those things. And I don't take picture when I'm pulling up. You understand? So this little piece of thing here, yeah, I never know where it was, but I finally find where it's supposed to be right here. Alright, I put 1 screw inside of it already. And as you can see, the reason why I know it was here, you know where to turn it. This side up because the dust is on it. This side is very clean. It is turned down. And as you can see, I have a little notch here. Yeah. So that is it. And it have 2 little thing here. And it have the screw, the 2 screw hole. So you know that is where it's supposed to be. So yeah, viewers, it's all about knowledge, It's all about knowledge. So you have to have knowledge to pull up these things and to put them back, fix it, and then put it back. Yeah, 2 condenser, 2 capacitor was swell up inside, and when it play for a while, it turn off by itself. So when I find out the high C was giving problem, the output IC, it used 2 output IC. It having 4 speaker, as I was saying. 1 year at the top. 1 year for the 2 side. So 1 control the 2 here, 1 control the 2 side. So one of the IC, yeah, that play 2 of the speaker, gone bad. So I have to change it. So that's what I do, and it is up and running again, alright? Yes, my viewers, as you can see, the radio is ready, The Jvc radio is ready, alright? As you can see, the dash have number 3 on it, and pause. Yeah.
Thought everything would be fine. Saw nothing special about you, but still you were plaguing my mind. I used to take you for granted. You were the last name in my life. Presently you're the most wanted. You're the top of my line. And it was yesterday I saw you down the lane. You as my best friend. My heart felt the pain.
Yes, my viewers, the radio ready, Yeah, ready and waiting for the customer to come and pick up. Yeah, so you don't know it's all about Evah Media, alright? Evah Electronics. Yeah, alright, my viewers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, alright?